This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown. Located just 5 minutes from Bellingham on almost 5 acres, quiet country road, 2,040 square feet 3-bedroom 2-bath home is just 2 years old, nice floor plan with large bedrooms, master has en-suite and 2 walk-in closets. Living room with bay windows facing south to let in the sunshine, large country kitchen, tons of cabinets, island counter and eating bar. Breakfast nook makes a great homeschooling area, vinyl plank floors easy to maintain. 3 decks, all in great condition. Shop, outbuildings and storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown at 360-371-5100.